What we're going to do, we're going to take a look at problem number 3. Now, problem number 3 here states that 164 divided by a negative 4. So if you remember back from your videos and the reading material, anytime we take a positive number and divide it by a negative number, our answer is going to end up negative. Okay, so might want to keep that in mind. So if you know that your answer is going to be negative, we can take 164 divided by a negative 4. Well, we can do the old-fashioned division that we remember back in elementary school. So 164 divided by 4. Now the reason why I'm doing by 4 instead of negative 4, at the very end, that's when we'll worry about the signs. But when you're doing the problem, you don't have to worry about the signs. So how many times does 4 go into 1? Well, it can't. So now we look, how many times does 4 go into 16? Aha! It goes into it 4 times. So 4 times 4, well, that gets us to 16. Then we change signs. 16 minus 16, well, that gets us a 0. And then we bring down the 4. Well, now how many times does 4 go into 4? Only once. So 4 times 1, well, that gets us a 4. Change your signs. Well, then we have a remainder of 0. In other words, 164 divided by 4 would give us a 41. Aha! However, we take a positive number divided by a negative number. So that means our answer should end up negative. So negative 41 would be your final answer. Now, if you don't feel too comfortable with that, we can always take your handy dandy calculator and do 164 divided by a negative 4. And then we get negative 41. So at least you're able to do it with a calculator, but also if your calculator fails, you can also do it by hand too. It's just when you do it by hand, you have to ensure that you know a positive number divided by a negative number gets you a negative number.